Pikes Peak, guys. Pikes Peak. Hey, good morning. We're going to Pikes Peak today in Colorado. Kitchen's really busy. Paul and Jen's already up, of course.
What's that? Oh, it's a
Yeah. There's not a lot.
No, but
Alright, yeah, let's do this. What, traffic?
Yeah, because they just opened.
Oh, wow.
There's a lot of people.
Hi, good morning.
We're headed for the top.
Yes, ma'am.
So we're only open 13 of the 19 miles because of high winds. So you can go 2/3 of the way.
Okay.
You want to do that? How many people?
4.
Is everybody over 16?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it'll be 50.
Okay.
Make sure whenever you head down, you stay in low gear. You're all fit.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hey. Okay, so we're on 7 right now. We can only go to 13 because of high winds. Strong winds. And we can't go up there. So we're only going to stay over here. 13. 11,440 feet. This is 13 now. Wow. This is so neat. Alright, got my puffy on. Everyone has their puffies on. I'm gonna go to the bathroom too. Yep, check this place out, guys.
We got parking, bathroom, coffee. Take that out.
Wow. I already feel it. I'm oxygen deprived. Man, it's Jen and me, way behind. The guys are over there. Bill is leading the pack.
It's a tight squeeze.
Okay, let's go. Unless we find another trail somehow.
There's a tree there, watch out.
Go, Jen, go. You got it. Oh, it's so windy.
Yeah, I saw that.
The
I
what?
think that's like employees or something now. Workers.
I grab a pine cone from Pikes Peak. Can I take this home with me? Right here. I'm taking this home with me. Pine cone from Pikes Peak. Oh yeah, look at this. That's neat. There's Jen and Paul. Hey.
You have to hit the stop. Oh,
That was closed earlier. So we're going now. Alright, we're going. Paul is like, did Heading up, guys. Heading up. Yeah.
hikes to the top.
No, we don't have to hike to the top. This is a tree.
Thank you for calling Pikes Peak America's Mountain. If you are trying to reach the Cog Railway, please note that they are currently closed for renovations. Visit at www.cograilway.com for the most current information.
That is a good view, but I don't think you should
Please
stop
select
and
some of the
block the
following.
road.
Thank you for calling Pikes Peak America's Mountain. Today is Monday, October 12th. The Pikes Peak Highway is open 13 of the 19 miles due to extremely high winds above tree line. We do have high winds forecasted for the rest of the day. If conditions do change, this message will be updated, but as of right now, you will not reach the summit. Today, our shuttle system will not be operating unless we open to the summit. Currently, the gateway opens at 9 a.m. and closes to uphill traffic at 3 p.m. The summit closes at 4 p.m. and all guests are required to exit by...
Dito lang.
Oh. What?
Well, that was dumb. I got our hopes up.
Oh man.
That's just rude.
Oh man. That's fine. At least I get a much higher view. This is nice.
Yeah, you probably Garden of the Gods or something else there.
Yeah, we still have Garden of the Gods, right?
Or something else.
Yeah, or
whatever you guys
something.
wanted.
Yeah, whatever you want to do. We're already enjoyed the day. We're pretty good.
You want to wait?
Oh, you want to wait? Okay. It's fall now. Fall wants to wait. Okay, we're gonna go hike some of these trails for now. Ugh.
Kahit sana dun sa isa pang stop.
Right?
Dun pwede niyo kahit di ka na pumunta sa taas, di ba?
You run trekking poles.
Yeah, I should have brought our trekking poles. That's true, there's 4 of us.
Didn't know if you're hiking though. That'd be right in the vein.
Feel it. Feel the elevation. Right?
Sun was so bright up your feet.
Alright. Wow. Look, there's snow here. Snow. Oh, oh, look at this. What the? Oh, snow. Wow. Snow. Wow. This is awesome, guys. So we parked. Oh, we don't park there. We were there before, right? And then,
that's the hill we walked up to.
oh yeah, so we walked up to earlier. And then we drove all the way over here. Okay, check that side out. It's so cold out here. And windy. Down now. Alright, back to car. That was fun. Such beauty. No? Bill, this isn't the way. Can we? Bill's making it as we go. We're following Bill.
I don't know.
Go that way. There's the rock. Look at these two lovebirds. Going down. It's easier this way.
That's quicker that way. Easier this way.
They're almost down. Alright.
I think they're still turning around. I can't tell though. Not positive.
We can go around again.
Yeah, it don't matter. It's dirt.
Still closed. Oh. Yeah, that is a bummer, but thanks, Paul.
Yeah.
We enjoyed it. Yeah. Maybe next time when we come and visit again, we'll go do this again, and hopefully we get to the peak.
So you're going to wait until 12?
If you want to wait,
See if they open it up.
you want to wait?
Doesn't
It
matter.
doesn't matter. We have all day. I mean, we're already here, right? We're going back to where we first parked. Check this out.
Yeah. Oh.
Thank you for calling Pikes Peak America's Map.
Pwede tayo pumunta sa Garden of the Gods. Or dun sa...
Please press 1 for the current hours of operation. Thank you for calling Pikes Peak America's Mountain. Today is Monday, October 12th. The Pikes Peak Highway is open 13 of the 19 miles due to extremely high winds above tree line. We do have high winds forecasted for the rest of the day. If conditions do change, this message will...
Kaya ba to? We're going.
Hey, it's me, your cousin from Sam Adams. And it says closed.
Aw. Another gift shop.
There's a sign.
Okay.
Yeah, they're just looking in the door.
Crystal Reservoir.
Then maybe they'll open up the top.
No. You can call again before we leave. Oh, here it is. I knew I brought my cord.
Your C cord?
Yeah.
Where's your other cord? Your coffee can.
Oh.
You already stole.
I didn't spill no coffee can. Wow, look at that. Crystal Lake. No, not lake, but reservoir. Wow. Are you sure? Huh?
We'll go this way. No, we'll go that way on the way back.
Okay.
Look at this. Take it back. Oh.
It's too close to the water.
Oh, okay. No! There's a line. No! It's a Bigfoot totem. Oh, it's recording. I'm heading back to the car now. Oh, let's go take our photo by the sign. Crystal Reservoir. Alright, we're on our way again. Alright, we're leaving. Thanks, Paul.
It was cool.
Yeah, that was really neat.